going to try the Dawn dish soap and vinegar shower cleaner. I've seen it on Pinterest and here on YouTube, and I want to try it for myself to see if it works, because the last stuff I was using was like, I think it was like some kind of bleach and something else, but it was just really strong, and the bathroom I'm in now doesn't have a window to air it out, so it was pretty bad. So you're supposed to use equal parts of the vinegar and the Dawn dish soap, but I've heard that the dish soap makes it really sudsy and stuff, so it's better to use a little bit less. So I'm going to use 16 ounces of vinegar. So let me just check this. Okay, so it's about halfway. A little more or less, that's fine. Okay. I'm just doing it over the sink too, so it'll make more of a mess. And then also, you can heat up the vinegar. I'm not trying it that way because I'm kind of in a hurry. So then, I'm going to be adding about 12 ounces of the Dawn dish soap. And it's supposed to only be the blue Dawn dish soap. It can't be, you know, a cheaper version of it. And then when you spray it on your bath and the tile, you're supposed to let it stay for about an hour to get it to come off pretty good, all the oils and soap scum and all that stuff. I don't want to shake it too much, but I just want to mix it a little. And then if it gets dried up and too thick over time, you know, like in a week or so, if you want to use it again, just add more vinegar to it. So that's what that looks like there. And this bottle was at Walmart. It was only 98 cents. So, you know, you can reuse it all as much as you want. It's not too bad. It's not, you know, too flimsy either. So let's go spray it on the shower. Okay. So now to show you the dirty shower, and usually people might do the cleaning stuff, the spray, and you can't really tell how dirty their tub was before. You can't really see it much on the video. So this is pretty dirty, so this way you can see what's happening with the soap and see if it works. So there you are. There is the dirty tile. You can see where it's, you know, kind of the gross stuff in there, and then down here, let's see the dark, gross stuff in the tub. Get close up on that. It looks pretty bad. This looks like a tub off of Hoarders. Okay, so we're going to spray it and leave it on there for about an hour. We'll see how good that works, okay? Okay, so what they don't tell you on some of these videos is you really got to pump this a lot. I was about to film me spraying it, and I had to pump it probably about 40 times for it to get up, and it's not like super thick either. Let it sit for about an hour, and then, you know, I just got a scrubber like this. I got this one also at Walmart. This was it, and then just a couple of bucks, I think, like under $5. And then I'll just, you know, give everything a good scrub, and then I'll film to show you how good it comes off. It's supposed to come off pretty good. I think if your tub's not too dirty, you can just rinse it out real good with the sprayer, and it's supposed to wash away. Okay, so it's been over an hour. It's been about 2 hours because it has some errands to run. So let's scrub the stuff off of the tub and see how it comes off. Just have the water running. That comes off pretty good. Actually, really easy. That's how shiny the tub is. It got really clean. The tile's clean. The hardware's clean. The grouts, it got kind of clean. Got a lot of stuff out, but it's stained. Try something else, and I'll post it when I do that. All right.